Did you know that your home could be sabotaging your well-being without you even realizing it? Every cluttered object, every messy corner, is draining your energy. But there is a way to restore harmony. It's called Mindful Home, and it's not just about tidying up, it's about transforming your home into a place that restores your peace. We live in an age of excess. Too many things, too many stimuli, too many obligations. And often, our home, which should be our refuge, ends up being another source of anxiety. Have you ever come home and felt more tired than relieved? It's normal, but it's not healthy. External disorder often reflects internal disorder. And worse, it feeds it. Therefore, it's not enough to store or hide. We must transform. Mindful home isn't a decorative technique. It's a philosophy of life that combines order, awareness, and emotional well-being. It's not about living in a perfect home, but one that's good for you. In this video, we'll explore how to create a home that supports you, inspires you, and helps you be happier. And we'll do so with 8 key principles that will change the way you inhabit your space. Before entering each one, it's important to understand that there's no ideal home format. What matters isn't how pretty it looks on social media, but how it makes you feel. These principles aren't rules, they're tools. Consider them as an invitation to view your space with empathy, not demands. Creating a calm home isn't about copying magazines or following rigid rules. It's about feeling good in your space, and that starts with applying these 8 fundamental principles of the mindful home. 1. Clear spaces. The first principle is to free up. Eliminate unnecessary things. Everything you store takes up physical and mental space. A clean, clutter-free space breathes better, and so do you. Do it little by little. A drawer, a piece of furniture, a room. The goal isn't to empty, but to keep what truly adds up. 2. Natural elements. Bringing nature indoors has a direct impact on your emotions. Use wood, plants, stone, and organic fibers. Open windows. Let the light in. Studies show that natural elements reduce stress, improve mood, and help restore attention. 3. Soft colors. Colors don't just decorate, they also communicate. Soft tones like neutrals, pastels, beige, aqua, or light gray help create an atmosphere of calm and mental clarity. Avoid saturating with strong contrasts or too many shades in a single space. Let your home be a breath of fresh air, not a visual scream. 4. Aromas and sounds. The senses also inhabit the space. Aromas like lavender, vanilla, or eucalyptus can calm you. The sound of running water, soft music, birdsong, everything adds up. A mindful home feels with awakened senses. Create environments that invite you to breathe deeply. 5. Objects with a purpose. Everything in your home should have a purpose or a story you love. Don't hoard things just in case. Surround yourself with objects that represent something. Ask yourself, does this inspire me? Does it serve me? Does it connect me with who I am today? If it doesn't, let it go. That's how the soul is also organized. 6. Technology-free corners. Create screen-free zones. A cell phone-free dining room. A reading corner without interruptions. A notification-free bedroom. Protect yourself from digital noise and reclaim spaces to connect with yourself or others. External disconnection is internal connection. 7. Daily rituals. It's not enough to tidy up once. Well-being is cultivated day by day. Light a candle at night, open the windows when you wake up, tidy the kitchen before bed. Small gestures that anchor calm and create emotional continuity. Your home becomes an ally in your routine, not your enemy. 8. Rhythm of the home. Your home has its own pulse, and that pulse should follow yours. Design your spaces around your daily moments, one place to focus, another to connect, and another to unwind. Not every corner has to be perfect, but it should work with you, not against you. A home in rhythm is neither rigid nor perfect, it is real, adaptable, and full of intention. Rhythm isn't imposed, it's heard. Observe your day, listen to your cycles, and allow your space to accompany them. By applying these principles, you're not just creating order, you're creating a haven that reflects your inner evolution. Science confirms the condition of your home directly impacts your well-being. According to a study from Princeton University, visual clutter reduces concentration and increases feelings of fatigue. Your brain literally becomes overwhelmed with excess. In another UCLA study, women who lived in cluttered homes showed significantly higher levels of cortisol, the stress hormone. In other words, a cluttered home can make you sick without you even realizing it. Furthermore, the Journal of Environmental Psychology concluded that orderly and aesthetically pleasing environments are associated with positive emotions, increased productivity, and better family relationships. And that's not all. Applying conscious organizing routines, as suggested by Mindful Home, reduces compulsive shopping, improves sleep quality, and strengthens the emotional connection with the space you inhabit. It's not just a question of aesthetics. It's a question of mental health, inner clarity, and real emotional balance. Your home isn't neutral, it affects you, builds you up, or drains you. And today more than ever, we need it to sustain us. But here's the most common contradiction: we all dream of a home that calms us, but we live surrounded by things that overwhelm us. Why? Because letting go hurts. Mindful decluttering forces you to face what you no longer are. It confronts you with broken promises, with past selves, with memories you don't know whether to keep or let go of. We cling to objects out of guilt, nostalgia, or fear of emptiness. But this invisible attachment is what often prevents us from moving forward. We live in contradiction, we want peace, but we accumulate chaos. The Mindful Home philosophy doesn't seek to force you to live with little. It seeks to invite you to live with meaning. To look at what's in your home and ask yourself, does this support me or hold me back? And here comes the turning point: when you realize that your surroundings don't reflect what you feel or what you dream, you can choose to transform them. Not all at once, not with pressure, but step by step. From respect, from presence. True change doesn't begin with throwing things away, but with understanding that you deserve to live in a place that supports you emotionally. And you can build that place today, with what you already have, and with what you choose to let go. Mindful Home isn't a cleaning technique, it's a way to heal. Because when you declutter from a place of awareness, you're not just organizing objects, you're rewriting your relationship with yourself. Your home stops being a reflection of chaos and becomes a mirror of your inner peace. It's not about having less, it's about having just the right amount. What makes you feel good, what represents you, what allows you to breathe deeply when you walk through the door. Home is your emotional temple, your foundation, your root. And when you treat it with respect, it treats you with love, too. A tidy space doesn't just change how your home looks, it changes how your life feels. Mindful Home is the art of creating an environment that supports you, and helps you flourish every day. Your home is your refuge, but also your mirror. Every day it reflects what you choose to keep, how you choose to live, and even how much love you give to yourself. Today you can choose to create a space that inspires you, that contains you, that uplifts you. And you don't need to buy anything. Just observe, let go, and transform. Transformation doesn't begin with new furniture or major renovations. It begins with a decision to live better from where you are, with what you already have. Your home doesn't need to be perfect. It just needs to be mindful. An extension of your peace, your focus, your priorities. And that starts today, with a fresh perspective, with a simple act, with a small change made from the heart. Comment below, what's the first thing you're going to change in your space? Subscribe and like if this content helped you. Share this video with someone who also needs to transform their home into peace. Welcome to Preferred Life, where order begins on the outside, but transforms on the inside. See you in the next video.